Ninja made it so simple. These knives will never get dull. You just put it right here, make sure it's locked, and then you just slide it a few times, take it out, and this is the sharpest knife you ever seen. If you haven't bought this kitchen knife set, that's good, because right now you can get amazing deal on TikTok shop. You get the chief knife, you get santuki knife, you also get paring knife, you get utility knife, you get scissors, and you also get 6 steak knives. This is all in one, never dull German stainless steel kitchen knife set by Ninja. They make the best kitchen knife set ever. If you want to grab these, they have massive discount. I'll drop the link right there on the video. Check it out before it goes out of stock.